To see MO energy level diagram for B2 molecule. See, this B2 molecule is formed by the combination of two boron atoms. First boron, second boron reduce the B2 molecule. Electron configuration of boron, its atomic number is 5. So electron configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. When we consider the combination of these two atoms, first boron atom, second boron atom, they will be combined and there is formation of the molecule B2. Here, in between the atomic orbitals, there is formation of molecular orbitals. See these molecular orbitals. When we see the combination, first boron atom 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Second 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. So see, when they will be get combined, 1s orbital will get combined, there is formation of sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Here, sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital. Its energy is lower than the atomic orbitals. While this sigma star 1s orbital is ABMO, antibonding molecular orbital. Its energy is higher than 1s orbital, that is atomic orbital. When there is combination of 2s orbital of the first boron and 2s orbital of the second boron, in between this there is the molecular orbitals, and that molecular orbital, first one is the sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Sigma 2s is the BMO, bonding molecular orbital, while sigma star 2s is antibonding molecular orbital, which is ABMO. Sigma 2s have the lower energy than the atomic orbitals. Sigma star 2s have the higher energy than the atomic orbitals, that is 2s. See, then we are going to see the combination of 2p orbital of the first boron and 2p orbital of the second boron. When they will be get combined, here there is the molecular orbitals. See, here first 2px orbital of the boron and 2px orbital of the second boron, they will be combined. Two orbitals get combined. There is formation of one bonding molecular orbital, which is sigma 2px, and another one is the sigma star 2px, that is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Then pi orbitals 2py and 2pz of the first boron, 2py and 2pz of second boron, they can be combined, and now there are the formation of two bonding molecular orbitals and two anti-bonding molecular orbitals. See, the first two bonding molecular orbitals, that is the pi bonding molecular orbitals, pi 2py is the first orbital and pi 2pz is the second BMO. Both have the same energy, and so we call it is pi 2py equivalent energy pi 2pz. Similarly, there is formation of the antibonding molecular orbitals. Their energy is higher than the atomic orbitals. See here, pi star 2py equivalent energy pi star 2pz. These are the ABMO. Thus, there is the combination of the 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 2p orbital. When we see the electrons, see, the first boron have the electron, that is 1s2, second have, that is the 2s2 and 2p1. These are the electrons of the first boron. Second boron, there is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. See how they will be enter? They will be enter. See now, after the combination there is formation of these molecular orbitals, and now these two electrons and these two electrons, they enter into the newly formed molecular orbitals. So 4 electrons, out of that 1, 2, 3 and 4. First orbital is fulfilled which have the lower energy. It is according to the above principle, and then electron will be enter into the orbital which having the higher energy. Thus there is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to the second, that is the 2s combination, where there are the sigma 2s and sigma star 2s orbitals. See now, here there are the 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. Again there are the 4 electrons. So here there is the 1 electron, second, third and fourth. Each orbital having the 2 electron capacity. Then when we consider the p orbital, at that time in p orbital, here there is 1 electron, and second there is the 1 electron. That means there are only 2 electrons. Now that 2 electrons enter into the orbital which having the lower energy of the bonding molecular orbitals, and here there are the 2 orbitals, that is the pi 2py, equivalent energy pi 2pz. Both have the same energy. So according to the above principle as well as the Pauli's exclusion principle, this electron, first electron will be enter here, second electron will be enter here. Now there is no any further electron. So this sigma 2px remains vacant. Pi star 2py, equivalent energy pi star 2pz, it is also remains vacant, and sigma 2px, sigma star 2px, it also remains vacant. After fulfilling the particular electrons in the or occupation of the electrons into the molecular orbitals, then we are going to see if this molecule can exist energetically, is it stabilized? See, first of all, we want to calculate the bond energy. For the bond energy, see, there is the formula 1/2 in bracket electrons in BMO minus electrons in ABMO. See, 1/2 electrons in BMO. See, to count the total BMO now, it is BMO, it is BMO, and it is BMO. So here there are the 2 electrons, here there are the 2 electrons, and here there are the 2 electrons. So here there is the 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So now in BMO there are the 6 electrons minus ABMO. Count this ABMO, and this ABMO. See, here there are the 2 electrons, here there are the 2 electrons, and these are the vacant. So 2 plus 2, 4. So is equal to 4. When we consider the calculation, it is the 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Bond order is 1. That means there is the single bond between the 2 boron-boron atoms in B2 molecule. Now we are going to see, once this there is the bond, but is this molecule is stabilized? It is calculated by the energy evolution. See, energy evolved. We have the formula, that is electrons in BMO into minus beta. Minus beta is the energy which will be evolved. So electrons in BMO, see here, there are the 6 electrons in BMO, so that 6 into minus beta plus electrons in ABMO. In ABMO there are the 4 electrons. So 4 into beta is equal to minus 6 beta plus 4 beta is equal to minus twice beta. See now, this much amount of energy will be evolved. That means minus twice beta amount of energy is evolved and molecule will be get stabilized. Thus this molecule can be exist. Thus this molecule, B2 molecule, can exist. That means it will get stabilized. It have the bond order. There is single bond between. Then we are going to see the magnetic property. Is this molecule is paramagnetic or diamagnetic? See, when consider the MO energy level diagram. MO energy level diagram shows that there are 2 unpaired electrons in bonding molecular orbitals. That means, as there are the unpaired electrons, molecule is paramagnetic. That means this molecule is, B2 molecule is paramagnetic. B2 molecule is paramagnetic. And when we consider its electron configuration, atom has the atomic electronic configuration. Molecule has the molecular electron configuration. B2 molecule have the electron configuration. See now here, as in the atom we see the 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, like that, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py, equivalent energy 1, and pi 2pz has the 1. So that here we can say 1 sigma star 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Then here there is the pi 2py 1 and pi 2pz 1. Another orbitals, they are having the 0 electrons. There is no need to write, but you can write also. So thus this B2 molecule can be formed and it can exist. There is single bond between the boron-boron atom in B2 molecule. This molecule is stabilized by minus twice beta amount of energy, and so this molecule can be exist. There are two unpaired electrons, hence this molecule is the paramagnetic. Okay, thank you.